partners, guests, and all of you watching us online. Welcome to the Bharat Mobility Global Expo 2025 and to the launch of much awaited the BYD SEALION 7. I am Sriram Joshi, the sales head for electric passenger vehicles BYD India, and I will take you through this presentation. From an exterior perspective, BYD SEALION 7 is a part of Ocean series, and it inherits the concept of Ocean X Space with the X architecture with dynamic perspective, providing in the front of vehicle a sense of forward momentum. When we see the elements of BYD SEALION 7, the Starlit Ocean headlights are designed not only to deliver striking aesthetics but also improve the visibility. The Ocean Horizon full width tail lights which you see at the rear are extremely narrow, which is an extension of the Ocean X series and the water drop matrix, which creates a wonderful visual of the sea and the sky. In short, the BYD SEALION 7 Ocean exteriors are crafted to give it the maximum aerodynamics. In terms of the body proportion, the BYD SEALION 7 has well-defined body proportion and a body length of 48-30 mm, wheelbase of 29-30 mm, height of 16-20 mm, and having a width of 19-25 mm. When it moves towards the interiors, BYD SEALION 7 embodies elegant interiors which redefines premiumness. It offers bolstered Napa leather seats representing versatility and sportiness. It also has multiple features like ventilation, memory settings, and electrical adjustments, where each ride becomes a personalized experience tailored to your preferences. Taking the BYD SEALION 7 interiors further, it also has an advanced intelligence cockpit. The ergonomic design and the exquisite workmanship reflects the high quality of the users, which means the BYD SEALION 7 integrated smart cockpit goes beyond the traditional and the transactional boundaries, which improves the user understanding and the driving experience. It also has a unique feature of a crystal gear shift, which is a complete symphony of both form and a function. Its water droplet design, which is an extension of the BYD Ocean X series, is a sleek and an intuitive functionality which becomes a seamless and a delightful participation from the user perspective with the BYD SEALION 7. For your comfort and convenience, the BYD SEALION 7 also offers industry-leading 15.6-inch rotatable infotainment display, a 50-watt wireless charger, and a hands-free electrical operated tailgate. Also, of course, it offers a large silver electroplating panoramic glass roof, which gives open and expanded feel and driving to the user experience, aided by the series standard electric shade which blocks the sunlight. As is standard with all BYD vehicles, the BYD SEALION 7 comes with a vehicle-to-load mobile power station which functions and which gives power to the high-power electrical appliances. In terms of safety and technology, as you have seen in the earlier presentation, BYD SEALION 7 also offers the advanced safety and technology which I will be discussing. It comes with an updated e-platform 3.0 with a cell-to-body CTB technology. It also comes with a BYD signature blade battery which helps this car to achieve the unbeatable performance. The revolutionary BYD blade battery has set new standards in terms of efficiency, in terms of and redefining the standards of EV safety. It also comes with an iTAC technology which can adjust the output torque of both front and rear drive motors, which improves vehicle stability, safety, and providing comfort and convenience to the consumers, better driving experience in any road condition. If you are talking about the technology where BYD is at the forefront, we can't miss this update from BYD. BYD is introducing its lithium iron phosphate LFP low voltage battery, the LVB, with this car BYD SEALION 7 in India. The LFP LVB is 6 times lighter than the conventional LVB, 5 times better self-discharge consumption, and offers a lifetime of 15 years. Which means BYD LFP LVB is more lighter, more efficient, more reliable, and more environment friendly. I am extremely proud to announce that BYD has become the world's first mass production company for LFP LVB. Moving towards the safety, the SEALION 7 comes with 11 airbags, which is the best in the segment. The driver fatigue monitoring system and level 2 ADAS, which offers various features like adaptive cruise control, automatic emergency braking, and others. The SEALION 7 is powered by a robust 82.56 kWh battery pack that gives an impressive range of 567 km in a single charge. It is equipped with a high-performance motor that reaches a staggering 23,000 rotations per minute RPM, which makes this car accelerate from 0 to 100 km per hour in just 4.5 seconds. Again, I am proud to announce this motor becomes the world's fastest electric motor in mass production. Talking more on the performance variant, the SEALION 7 generates a power of 390 kW and 690 Nm torque. For the Indian market and our Indian consumers, the BYD SEALION 7 will come in 2 variants, premium and performance. Both the variants will have a similar same battery pack of 82.56 kWh. The premium variant takes 6.7 seconds to go from 0 to 100 km per hour, while the performance takes 4.5 seconds. The premium variant will give 567 km on a single charge, and the performance will give 542 km on a single charge, NEDC tested range. Talking about the drivetrain, the premium variant comes with a rear-wheel drive, and the performance will come with an all-wheel drive. Moving towards the power, the premium variant will generate 230 kW, and performance variant will generate 390 kW. Of course, for the Indian market, the SEALION 7 will come with 4 impressive color variants: the Cosmos Black, the Atlantis Grey, the Aurora White, and the Shark Grey. I am extremely pleased to announce that the official start of the bookings for BYD SEALION 7 starts from today onwards. Kindly visit our nearest dealership for booking related queries, and also do visit our website for bydautoindia.com. Taking the power of 7 further, the promotional booking offers will come with added benefits and will be applicable for all bookings done till 17 February 2025. The booking amount, taking the power of 7, the BYD SEALION 7, the booking amount will be 70,000 rupees, and BYD will be an equal part with the Indian consumer, which means the customer books a BYD SEALION 7 with 70,000 rupees, BYD will also pay the equal amount of 70,000 rupees. For the revolutionary LFP LVB battery, the promotional booking will cover 7 years or 1,50,000 kilometers, whichever is earlier. Free 7 kW home charger and free installation will come in the promotional pack. Also pleased and proud to announce the early 70 consumers deliveries will start from 7th March 2025. So dear distinguished media friends, partners, guests, thanks again for your valuable time and presence for this event. Appreciate it. Thank you very much. Can we have the aging for the SEALION 7?